Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to paste code in TradingView in 2026 using the updated Pine editor. So first of all, you need to come on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this particular deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. Only one day left in this deal, so if you are interested, make sure that you hurry and explore the offers. Now, on tradingview.com, first of all, log in into your account if you haven't already. Then click on the option of products, or you can also click on the search icon here on the top and launch any of the charts in front of you. Now, once you have your chart ready, simply click on the option of Pine Editor here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Over here, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, then select the option of New tab. So once you do this, you will be shown the Pine editor just like so. Now, if it is showing you any kind of script, you just have to press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, then press backslash on your keyboard so that you could delete the existing script. Now you just have to start giving your new script over here. Once you add the new script, click on this drop down menu, then rename this particular script, or you can also make a copy of the script and then you can rename that one, and you can just simply add that on your cart. So once you add the script on your cart, your script will be applicable and it will be available here on your chart. So this way you will be able to paste your code in TradingView in the Pine editor basically. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides on TradingView. Thanks for watching.